Hello, my name is Reza Pramudya and I want to explain my midterm project is about communicative test design. Definition: communicative test design is an assessment approach focused on evaluating test taker ability to communicate effectively in real-world context. Goal: to assess the ability to use language in socially and practically relevant situations. Background: emphasis on effective communication skills has become increasingly important in language education. Communicative testing focuses on real skills like speaking, listening, writing, reading, within authentic context. Principles of communicative test design. Real-world context, tests should be based on actual communication scenarios. Interaction encourages test taker to engage in authentic interaction. Text authenticity. Text should reflect real-life scenarios. Social relevance. Language and topics should be relevant to everyday life of the test taker. Key component of communicative test design. Text authenticity. Realistic text such as conversation or debates. Situational appropriates. User contents that relate to social experience of test taker. Linguistic meaningfulness promotes natural and meaningful language use. Example of text in communicative testing. Role play simulates specific conversation or social situation. Interview use open-ended questions to measure interaction skills. Debate or group discussion, testing ability to argue and respond effectively. Advantage of communicative test design. Measure real-world language use abilities. Increase the relevance of the test for test taker. Reduce the pressure of conventional test formats. Limitation and challenge. Subjectivity in scoring difficult create a 100% objective rubrics. Diverse context. Test taker from different background may struggle with certain situation. Step in designing a communicative test. Define communication objective. Identify the language skill to be an assessment. Create realistic communication scenarios. Develop an appropriate scoring rubric. Conclusion: communicative test design is a more realistic approach to assessing the language abilities, focusing on the interaction and communication real-world context makes this format more relevant to everyday. Task: complete the missing words. You will get 1 point for each correctly restored words, 0.5 points for particularly correct. Example: grammatical errors, and 0 point if the word is incorrect or missing. Question 1. The topic is education. Educa is a fun part of birth. Div, it not only prove null but all eq identify with ski need to facts child agu educa sis force create think create and prop solve stu heuristic goal educa are more prepared for food success in work and shop. Question 2. Topic: environment. Broad or and V is for full, Kenner, the plant, Prof, as with fur, air, cleaved, and fur, soil, the girl, or to how human activity such as defer pole and idus was ter the ball and netu by where reju was and from susta practice we can count the press of our plan. Scoring guide. Calculate the possible points based on the number of students need to complete. For example, if there are 20 words with missing parts in each text will have a maximum score 20 points, making a total of 40 points for both texts. Proficiency levels. Excellent, 36 until 40 points. Students demonstrate a high level of language proficiency with excellent vocabulary and grammar. Good, 28 until 35 points. Student has a strong gap of language but may make a few minor errors. Satisfactory, 20 until 27 points. Students show and resemble a common of language with some errors indicating intermediate proficiency. Need improvement, below 20 points. Student has significant gaps in vocabulary or grammar, indicating the need for further practice. Okay, that's for my midterm project language assessment. Thank you.